Come on. Roll over. Roll over here. Where are you going to find the tree at? There's some nice ones over here. Look at. I think.
Are they big Christmas trees?
Well.
Go over there. There's big snow over here.
There's a pretty looking tree. Kind of.
Look at lots over here.
Yeah, we're not here for snow. Here for a tree. These are thin. You just digging snow? Come on. It's a Christmas tree forest. Look at. Where are you? Come on, they won't hurt you. You gonna make it? These trees ain't all that good, I don't think. Maybe back here. How you doing there, girl?
Good.
Good? You find a tree yet?
No.
These are all weird. That's a fuller tree. Small. Well, you find a tree yet?
No.
These ain't very good trees, are they?